Hello and welcome to Ooni Craft sewing tips and tricks for the Singer heavy duty sewing machine. Today I'm going to share with you a crucial tip that's going to help you create beautiful decorative stitches with your Singer heavy duty sewing machine. Let's get started. So normally if you want to create a decorative stitch with your Singer heavy duty sewing machine, or any sewing machine for that matter that has decorative stitches built in, you're going to look at the stitch selecting dial and you will turn it to select your stitch. So I'm going to choose the squiggly one here. There, so I've selected my squiggly decorative stitch. Then I'm going to put my fabric under the needle and I'm going to sew. What do you see? Do you see that beautiful curved decorative stitch? No, we've just got this weird zigzaggy line coming up. How do we fix this? Now to fix it, you have to look really closely at your stitch length selector. You must turn the stitch length selector to as close as possible to 0. Right now the stitch length selector is somewhere on the 3 mark. So I'm going to turn it and get it as close as possible to the 0 mark. There, so it's not quite 0. Now let's try doing the stitch again and see how that works. Check it out, the stitches came out beautifully. Now up here, my stitch length was way too close to 0. So if you look up there now, right now my stitch length selector is halfway between 0 and 1. And that is the ideal position for your stitch length selector to do a decorative stitch. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!